How to go live on Instagram using Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device and make sure you have logged into your account. Also check on your internet connection. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device. Now simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen over here in order to go live, and as you can see, you have different options like post, story and reel. Now we do not have the option of live over here because generally that's where the live option pops up, so we cannot see that over here. So we're going to go back and simply check on the Play Store if you have the latest version of Instagram or not. So let's search over here on Play Store and search for Instagram. So let's search for Instagram, and as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we do not have any updates, and we have the latest version of Instagram application. So that feature of going live is not available for us right now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.